Apple has just unveiled the brand new iPhone 17 lineup. Let's take a closer look at the design, features, and prices together. iPhone 16 Pro Max, bright and smooth. iPhone 17 Pro Max, brighter, sharper, more immersive. '16 Pro Max, triple camera, strong performance. 17 Pro Max, redesigned lenses, ultra clarity. 16 Pro Max, titanium strength. 17 Pro Max, lighter titanium, premium finish. The iPhone 17 Pro Max LCD has much thinner bezels than previous models. The camera housing, frame material, and center glass are much improved compared to previous models. Which color would you choose? Share your thoughts below. Which model are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.